We've all suffered from a presentation full of cheesy stock images. You know the ones I mean. At best, they make your audience bored, and at worst, they destroy the credibility of the message and you as the presenter. I don't know about you, but I've never done that in an office in all my many years of working. By investing a relatively short amount of time in finding emotive and powerful images, we can take our message from great to mind-blowing. This video will help you understand how to search for, choose, and maybe even edit an image for maximum impact. By using the word authentic after our main image keyword, we can find some great images. Let's look at an example. If we go into an image library and type in authentic meeting, we'll see images like this. Now we start to get images that look a lot more like the kind of meetings that I find myself in. These images will help my audience better connect to the topic and me as the presenter. They look like the kind of meetings I'd actually be in. We can also have fun with it. It doesn't always have to be serious. Who hasn't had a meeting in the last year and a half that's suddenly had a cameo appearance from somebody's pet? Now let's have a look at how we can edit an image for impact. Let's imagine we need an image to go with the word innovation. I do a search in the library and we can get this image of an egg with a bright light shining out of it. It does a pretty good job of portraying innovation. Now, if I put it in a slide and add the title, something like Customer Video's Big Innovation, it doesn't look too impressive. We can do 3 simple things to make it much more impactful. First, we'll expand the image to cover the whole slide. It already looks a lot better. Next, we can crop the image to make the egg look much bigger. So big, in fact, that it looks like it's bursting out the top of the slide. Third, we can increase the size of the text, big, to make it big. Now, the image and the text has a lot more impact with just those 3 small changes. By spending some extra time, you can significantly improve the power and impact of your images. Remember, the right image doesn't just complement your message, it can actually create a wow moment around a key message, elevating it from boring to unforgettable. Finding images for our presentation can be a huge time suck. Hunting for images in an image bank is not a fast task if you want to get an image that is authentic, powerful, and fits with your presentation topic. These days, it seems that AI could be the answer to finding really great images in just a few minutes and for a very low cost. However, whilst that is the dream, the reality is that creating images with AI is still hard, and many times we don't get great images without a lot of work and experimentation. For example, it's still not great at generating people's faces or making things look real, but used properly can give you access to some great images at low cost and incredibly fast. Let's look at how you can use ChatGPT to make awesome pictures for your presentations. The prompt is the key to success with image generation in AI, the same as it is for everything else. We need to spend some time and effort here really describing what we want from the image. We're going to need an image for our presentation that communicates our key message of protecting $1 million of revenue. Let's create an image of a man holding a padlock. Remember, the higher level of detail you give, the better. Intro. Please generate 3 different images that portray the following. Purpose of the image: to create a professional and high-tech representation of digital security. Subject description: a business person dressed in a dark modern suit with a crisp white shirt and stylish tie. Action or pose: the subject stands with a confident posture, hands outstretched in front, cupping something valuable. Objects and symbols: a large glowing digital padlock symbol representing cybersecurity. Setting and background: gradient background of cool blue tones to convey a sense of corporate professionalism. Atmosphere and mood: the image should have a soft and diffused overall lighting with a slight focus on the hands and the padlock. Perspective and composition: the subject should be on the left of the frame with the head not visible to maintain focus on the hands and the padlock. The subject should take up 30% of the image space, the remainder being background only. Special effects. The padlock should have a transparent holographic quality. Color scheme and theme. Cool blue tones, professional and clean design. Exclusions. Exclude any distracting elements that do not contribute to the theme of security and professionalism. Now you can just copy this into ChatGPT and ask it to create the image. The chances are you won't get what you want from the first time around, so you will need to play with altering parameters in the prompt. Another way to try this is to find an image that is similar or in the direction of what you want and ask ChatGPT to analyze the image and write a prompt for it. Then you can see what it generates. So where does this leave us? Well, hunting for the perfect presentation image is still a bit of a journey. And while AI is super promising, it's not a magic fix yet. There's still no quick solution to finding a powerful image that will be a strong addition to your presentation that will create both an emotional connection and explain something to your audience. I'm sticking with traditional image banks for now, but you bet I'm keeping an eye on AI. This tech is moving fast and it's only going to get better. I am experimenting all the time with AI image generation, as I suspect it will be exponentially better in a short space of time. Give it a go. Carve out some time when you're not under pressure and just play with creating images. It's fun and you never know what you might create.